anthem of the seas. Today we are going on a cast trip. Connor, how many pairs of shoes have you brought for our 4-day trip?
Okay, I have 7. I have my 2 show shoes. I have the shoes I'm wearing now. I have flip-flops for just bumming around. I have sneakers to work out and stuff. I had to bring my yellow Vans because you never know what you're going to wear.
Yeah.
And then I brought my boots because they're cute and I got to wear them in New York. 7 pairs.
Mum, what do we think?
I bought 3, but on this little guy right here.
Is everything you have in
Everything
there?
is right in there.
So I just realised I haven't actually explained what we are doing. So we flew from the Bahamas this morning to Miami and then went straight into rehearsals for this event that we're performing at. It's like a cruise line travel awards ceremony thing, and they've asked us to perform a 20-25 minute section of the show for the event. So we went straight into rehearsals. Once we got to Miami, got a quick dinner break. They gave us some delicious sandwiches, they were amazing, and then arrived at this location which the event is actually at. I don't know what this place is called, but it's lovely, it's huge. I'll show you what it looks like. So that's the stage there. Check this out. Giant. So we're all sitting here in our wigs, but cash clothes. So that's where we're performing. Since getting here we've had a wig fitting. They made us some gorgeous new wigs just for this performance because we couldn't actually take them on the plane with us. So we've got a lovely new look, which I'm obsessed with. We've been fitted up with our mics and we're just getting ready to do sound check now. The dancers are going through a couple of steps on the stage, just checking that everything they need to do fits on the new stage. And then we're gonna have a quick rehearsal tonight, getting ready for the show tomorrow.
We've set off the fire alarm with the smoke machine. I was just peeing and ran out real quick because I thought it was real.
Stunning!
How much of it do you want?
One more time.
I like it cold, please, and I like it now.
So we finished rehearsing on the stage. We have been up for about 15 hours so far. We're now running the show really quickly and then we're gonna go to bed. Yay! Aw, look at this! It makes us feel like we can Eileen wishes she was on stage right now. A blueprint for a lifelong life.
Look at those guns.
We are done. We are done
It's
rehearsal.
11:11. Guys, it's 11:11. Make a wish.
Oh! Okay, done.
Done.
We have been rehearsing for, well, how long have we been up doing things?
We've been up since 7:30 a.m.
Since 7:30 this morning. It's now 11:30 nearly. We're done. We're going to take our wigs off and we're going to go back to our accommodation and go to bed before rehearsals in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We are up early, ready for rehearsals this morning. Gosh, it was such a long day yesterday. I still feel like I'm still going from yesterday, but I did have a good sleep. Hopefully everybody else did, hopefully the rest of the cast did. I'm just on my way to Starbucks to get some breakfast because we haven't had time to go grocery shopping or anything like that. So I'm off to get some breakfast really quickly and then head into rehearsals. And then to get this event done. Woo! What are the odds of seeing the entire We'll Rock You cast here at Starbucks? Oh, morning guys! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Morning! Morning!
Morning.
Morning, Rob! Morning!
Oh dear sweet Jesus, no.
We happy we have food, guys? Happy chappy?
Nom 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 nom. This is known when you're a super healthy dancer.
Do you have a name for this car?
Delicious.
That looks so good. Okay, we are back at the event venue. Look at this gorgeous building. Isn't it beautiful? So we're here, we've got our, we actually have, we brought our suitcases because at the end of the event tonight we need to pack our costumes back in again. Yes! So Clear is the name of the event. We found out that's the name of the event. That's what we're doing today. And it's a cruise ship's awards ceremony. So yeah, we have our suitcases because we're packing our costumes back up at the end of the show tonight and getting them ready to fly back to New York tomorrow. And so it's a couple of hours later. I'm currently filming in the bathrooms because there's a lot of like fancy important people walking around outside and I felt a bit weird filming around them. So instead we're in the bathrooms. When we got to the location here, we were told straight away as soon as we walked through the door that we had 15 minutes to get into costume, wigs, mics and full makeup for our dress and tech run. They needed makeup and everything done because of the lighting and costumes as well. Normally it takes me about an hour and 45 minutes to get all of that done. So 15 minutes was a bit of a stretch. We did the best we could. I did this makeup in the dark backstage while people were doing their sound check, so it looks a little bit like a toddler did it. But I'm gonna redo it before the actual thing, so that's okay. We had our rehearsal, it went really, really well. It feels actually amazing doing it on that stage. There's this big catwalk down the front of the stage where we get to go amongst the crowd a little bit. It feels really, really epic to perform on, so that's cool. So yeah, now I'm gonna redo my makeup. We've just had a dinner break and we were brought some really delicious food, but we also went out and got some pizza because it's been one of those days where we needed some pizza and it was really good. It was really, really good. So that's happened. Hello! People came into the bathroom. So now, yeah, we're gonna go get ready to actually do this event. Woohoo! Look who's brought treats! Thanks, Charlie! 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 Thank you.
Just a 17, just a 19 pound bag.
19 pounds.
Makeup's on. Time for a vocal warm-up.
I'm just spouting.
And we are ready to go to the event! Oh my god! How you feeling, Galileo Figaro? Yeah? Rach? Ass. Did you say ass?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yeah! Ah, yeah!
For 326, the Dumbo Twins.
Oh shit.
This is all for you.
I thought they were gonna do like a kick.
Wow, that was really good. That was
We need to
really
hire
good.
a new choreographer.
I thought the song was going to end, but it's not. Okay, it's a bit quieter. Okay, so we are still backstage. We haven't gone on stage yet, but we are about to go on, I think, in about 2 minutes, guys. I've done a little bit of an extra cheeky warm-up back there, feeling warm, feeling ready to go. The cruise line before us that was performing were a ballet company, and they were all in their gorgeous tutus with their beautiful, perfect buns and performed absolutely amazingly. They were so wonderful, but we just felt really, really out of place standing there next to them. Oh my gosh. They're in for a shock when we go on stage. Slightly different than ballet, what we're about to do. Yeah, in my costume, really enjoying my new wig. I think she's absolutely beautiful. And we're gonna go rock this show. Wow. See you afterwards. We did it! Wow, we're done! We're done. No, I'm not gonna show you Gus because you're getting changed. We're done, Hannah! Hi! Could you please undo me? I can do that. Yay! We are back at our accommodation, looking very rock and roll right now. Very rock and roll. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, and my neck is sore. Let me tell you, head banging hurts after a while. Anyway, it was such an amazing night. It was such a fun event. It really was fun. Like, it was a lot of work that went into it, but it was worth it. It was so worth it. But the fun doesn't stop here. We are actually, so tomorrow we fly to New York so that we're in the port to join the ship, but we have one night in New York, and I've never actually been into the city of New York before, so I've booked a ticket to see Mean Girls on Broadway, my first Broadway show, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get a good night's sleep tonight and get ready for tomorrow. And I'm gonna take you along with me, of course, as always. Good night, everyone. Mwah. I'm still currently lying down when I've stopped filming half an hour ago. I'm so tired. I need to get up and shower. Get up. Okay. I'm up. Bye.
Mamma mia, mamma mia.
Maybe let's just make one up. I'm sitting here with my friend Summer in the Miami airport. Miami airport. Who's Miami airport? Miami airport. Miami airport. It's our Miami airport. Together, Miami airport. With Summer and Boogers.